hexapods. If you see any circle, any shape if you take, it can be broken down into different triangles. Correct? So if I form a bot through these triangles, if I form a hexapod, now if you take equilateral triangle for that sense, if I form a circle, I make different triangles, and if I form a hexapod out of these triangles, so later on I can utilize these hexapods. So this will come into one plane. Now if I put motors, if I disassemble I form some hexapods, I disassemble them. So later on I can join them again. Correct? So if I can put motors, actuators to these legs, which I have formed, so these will form different types. Now if I have to make let it come again, so it will again integrate into the same pod. Now this comes in under telecommunication, means telecommunication with each bot.
Why not use them individually? Why do you want to join them? Are they doing some different function by joining those?
See, joining them in the sense, yeah, as you're saying, but if you see space constraint also, if I have just one bot and I'm giving function to just one bot, that I'm switching on, if I take different bots, so I'll have to switch on each individual bot and then decide a function, then tell each bot which function I have to do on one bot, and it will communicate to others. But it will, I'll have to keep various other bots. So instead of that, if I stack them up, keep them under one thing, so I just have just one system which breaks into different parts, smaller parts, and then it does the work.
So every part has a different function.
Yeah, different function which the host bot will decide. Meaning it will type of bifurcate the main task into different parts. That will come under coding. Now, as I explained about just the cleaning part, where first it would involve brooming and then mopping. So in brooming, the host bot will say that bot number 1 will do the brooming part. So it will, and bot number 2 will do the cleaning part. So it will take on simultaneously. That I don't have to assign the same bot two functions, which will happen in a serial way. That first it will do all the brooming part and then the mopping part. Yeah.
What is the status of technology radiation we talk about? How much part of this thing is ready, or it is completely ID?
Completely an idea, because I'll be starting it in this is my second year. I'm a MTech RA, so this will start in the next year itself. So it's in conception only. It's like if I tell you how it has progressed in academic sense with this idea. So if anyone has heard about swarm robotics, yeah, swarm robotics, if you have seen